The markets are pumping, guys. The markets are pumping. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day, and we're going to be talking about Aioz network critical levels here. Why is the market pumping? Guys, it's great to see the markets green. I personally like them red because that's what I like to buy. But we're going to be checking out critical levels for Aioz network. That's right. Aioz network has been outperforming and doing great in the AI network sector of crypto this year, and guys, I think it's gonna do a lot better. So let's check out some of those critical levels. But first, 70% of you guys are watching these videos are not hitting subscribe. Make sure you fix that and hit that subscribe, guys. Let's get it rocking and rolling. First off, we got to hit Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pumping today. The CPI data came out. Inflation is going down and Bitcoin's pumping, baby. Bitcoin's pumping. Yesterday on my live stream on May 14th, I told you guys that we were retesting this downward trend here, and it'll potentially that today was going to be do or die because of the CPI data. Either we were going to pump or we were going to dump today, and we got the good CPI data. Inflation is down, even though it's all fugazi, whatever. That's all the market needed, and Bitcoin is sending it, baby, sending it, hitting past this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement of 64,000, hitting about 65,000 earlier today, maybe potentially going up towards this gold pocket of 67,000, 66,000 for Bitcoin, and that has led Aioz network. That's right. Let's get right into it. Aioz network here to also kind of have a little bit of a move. But the real thing here to be looking out for Aioz network is this. Aioz network is in a very tight range between $1 and about 53 cents, right? But 53 cents has only been revisited two times. It's been revisited two times here on April 13th. That was when the large drop happened for Bitcoin down to about 56,000 or potentially even lower than that. It was before April 13th was the big drop from the high 60s down into the 50s because of what was happening around the world with some things geopolitically. But that being said, that's dropped Aioz, which if you were able to scoop up at 53 cents, this is massive, massive support here. So personally, myself right now, I'm looking to dollar cost average Aioz network, right? What am I looking at here is this. It's in this tight range from March of 2024. We're currently sitting right above the value area low of this range, or I should say, we're sitting right above the value area high of this larger quarter one range, right? Quarter one of 2024. Look at this massive range. Not a lot of volume here. So we're going to be talking about this and how this affects the price of Aioz network. So right now, we're sitting above this yellow line, which is the value area high of the quarter one range, and we're stuck between this range here that is for March. That being said, we got resistance at 88 cents. We've tapped it twice and have been rejected. We've got another resistance up here at 99 cents, practically $1, right? Getting around that big round number, it's going to be tough. So expect resistance on the way up. If Bitcoin continues moving to the upside here, that is going to be resistance from where we're at right now to 88 cents. It is about a 10% move, almost 11%, and moving towards that 99 cents is about 24% pump, which is a very decent pump. But you're saying, man, I want to buy Aioz at lower levels. What should I be looking for? Well, this is what I'm looking for, right? What I'm looking for is this. This yellow line should be some support here, right? It's also lining up with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is pulled from this bottom to this top, right? We have the 0.5 sitting right here, right above this yellow line. So the 71 cents to 70 cent level should be decent support. If that is lost, we have a gold pocket sitting down here at 66 to 65 cents. If that gold pocket is filled, I will start dollar cost averaging there. Now, if that is lost and we continue heading down, this value area low of the March range sits around 54 cents. And right below it, we have the monthly support one at 52 cents. So between 53 to 52, there should be some decent support to dollar cost average here. Now, warning, disclaimer, right? That doesn't mean that's the bottom. That means that we could definitely drop lower than here, because if we go back to what I was talking about, low volume, look at this low volume here. Very low volume after 52 cents. If we don't get a big note of volume down to 32 cents. So if this is lost, if 52 cents is lost and we are starting to close candles below it, look out below, because we had a very aggressive move here in March when all the AI coins were running, and Aioz exploded from 24 cents all the way up to 82 cents in a matter of days, right? In a week. So you guys can see here all the daily candles, leading to not having a lot of volume, right? Just massive single print green candles to the upside. So if we lose 52 cents, I definitely expect a big drop down into the 40s, even the 30s here, right? Depending how large. This is going to be highly dependent on Bitcoin's price action. If Bitcoin's price action drops into the 55,000 or lower, then definitely I expect this to happen. If it doesn't, right, and we continue steadily trotting up to the upside, we'll have no problem, and I will be dollar cost averaging here in this zone right here, right between this gold pocket and this value area low. I will be dollar cost averaging Aioz. But I do keep in the back of my mind that I need to keep some dry powder in case this support is lost. We could potentially come down as low as 32 cents, right, which is a massive drop from where we're at right now, all the way down to about 32 cents. Is about a 59% drop. Very massive drop, very aggressive, right? Is it possible? Yes. Is it do I think it's very likely right now with the current state of the market? No, right? But anything can happen. Anything can happen. Bitcoin can retrace down to 55 to 49,000, which are some levels that I'm keeping an eye on, which could lead for Aioz and all the other altcoins to massively drop in price as well. So this 59% drop is in the back of my mind just in case, right? Even if we don't come down all the way to 32, we could still come to 38, 41. I will be keeping dry powder just in case this 52-cent level is lost. But I will be dollar cost averaging here. Those are the critical levels for Aioz network. I am Blockchain Crusaders, crusading to these blockchains every single day. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit that like. And until next time, see ya.